Hi there everyone, it's me, Lamer Gamer. Hope you're doing well. Now today's video is a quick how-to video on how to take a clip from your Twitch stream and post it as a YouTube short and as a TikTok video, which is actually a feature that Twitch has introduced so that you can get your content out there in front of more people, which I think is great. It's nice to see that platforms are working together to try and get creators like myself and you a bigger platform. Now if you do like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and don't forget to press the little bell so you know when I next post a new video. If you could give this video a like and a comment, that would be really useful and it really helps promote the channel. Also let me know if you have any feedback in the comments. I also stream regularly on Twitch, so you can find me over there. Now I reckon this is going to take 5 minutes, so put 5 minutes on the clock and here we go. Okay, 5 minutes, go. So first things first, you've just finished streaming and you've got some really funny clips that you want to start sharing straight away or schedule however you want to do it. So let's head over to Twitch and head to our creator dashboard. A little bit of self-promotion there. Here's my Twitch channel. What you'll need to do then is go to Video Producer. And you should be able to see all your recent videos, but we're not really looking at this unless you want to take a clip from a recent video. But what we're going to do is take a pre-made clip and use that. So I'm now just going to quickly find a video that I can use as a quick example for a clip post on YouTube and TikTok. So here we go. Okay, so a clip I'm going to quickly do is one from August last year, 2022, which is from when I was playing the Mortuary Assistant. Effectively, the clip is 30 seconds long. So that's the clip. So what we're going to do then is we're going to click Edit and Share Clip. So as you can see on the left-hand side, it's got a preview of what it will look like. You can either have a split screen or you can have a single screen like that. So then you can choose how to lay it out with these various boxes. I like to have two squares, one showing game and one showing my shocked face in this particular instant. And then you've got to make sure that the bit you want to capture is in the middle of the screen, I guess. So like that, we can see that there, that it works. You can also choose whether to have the channel name in or out. And you can also say, choose to default these selections for future clips. Now in this case, because this is a particular layout for particular streams I use, I'm going to leave that on, like that, and press next. Then you would need to have connected your YouTube and TikTok accounts to be able to do this next bit. So basically you give it the title you want. So once you've given it the title and given it the relevant hashtags you want, you can either set it to be public, unlisted, or private in YouTube so that you can actually schedule it to come on at a later date. What I'm going to do in this case is put it as unlisted. And then here on TikTok, the TikTok section, it says public to everyone, mutual follow friends, or self only. If you don't want to post it just yet, you can actually save it to TikTok drafts, which is what I'll do, because if I do this, I'll actually be able to edit it in the TikTok app, because unfortunately the Twitch extension doesn't really give you all the editing tools you need. So I'm just going to press save to TikTok drafts. And as you can see there, it says share to TikTok, etc, etc. And basically you can close the window and not worry about it. I'm also going to set this as unlisted and press share to YouTube Shorts. And as you can see there, they're both loading and being ready. And like that, your clip was successfully shared to YouTube Shorts. So you can actually follow the link there and have a look at it. Or you can go straight into YouTube as you would do normally as a creator and send it that way. And please note with the TikTok saving as drafts, it says closing this window or tab won't impact the transfer. So that's cool. And there you go, it's already said that it's uploaded. You can also save it to your device if you want to keep it locally. So I'm going to press done, and now I'm going to head over to YouTube. I've just gone into my YouTube studio and there it is, Where Did My Soul Go, which is the latest video. I'm going to go into details. You can see there is unlisted. So what I'm going to do is schedule it, and I'm going to schedule it to come out at about 9:30 tomorrow. You can also then add it into certain playlists and stuff like you normally would with a video that you've made on YouTube, and then you press save. What I'm going to do now is quickly pull up my phone and you can see what I do on my TikTok app as well. Okay, so I'm going to open the TikTok app. So now I'm at the TikTok homepage. I'm going to press inbox, and then there's one here that says system notifications, and it says here your video from Twitch is ready. So you press it and you can see that that is the video we were editing. So now what I'll do is press next, put the title in I was going to use in my YouTube video, set the cover and post it. I will then basically copy and paste into my description of my TikTok video, select the cover, which would probably be something along the lines of me like crying. Okay, now I'm going to set a title Worst job ever. Save. And now I'm going to press post. And there we go. It has now appeared on TikTok. And stop the clock. So how do we do? I think we did okay, right? So hopefully that's helped you if you were having any problems trying to upload to TikTok or YouTube from Twitch. Hopefully you've managed to link your accounts and stuff like that. So that should be pretty straightforward, really. Also, if I've missed anything out that you think that I should have covered in this video, then please let me know. Drop a comment and I will probably do a follow-up video or reply back to you with an answer on that comment. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, because you never know, there could be a streamer out there that doesn't even know that this functionality exists. In the meantime, you all take care and I'll see you online. Cheers.
That's all for today, folks. See you next time on the Lamer Gamer channel.